Record. Record. On. No. Recordings on the phone. Take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
I'll just stand here so the camera can see the drone. Take it away from us. Turn it around so we can see. So the drone camera is now pointing directly at me. Yes, there we am. Come a bit nearer. Up a touch. I'll just point the body cam up a little touch. Let's get all that here. Right, I'm going to do a flight now. We're going to go up and away. Up higher. We're still recording. So we'll put the camera down a little. Turn around so we can find us. Where are we? We're oh, strong wind warning. There we are. We are just there we are. Right, so we've bring the drone down to us. Coming nearer. It's a little bit too high. It's 20 meters high at the moment. Bring it down a bit. 18 meters, 16 meters, 11 meters, 7 meters. Bring it down to about 4. And forwards towards us. It's going off. Just turning around a touch more so we can get in line. Try that. I hope the camera can see that. Let's look this side. Oh, the wind's quite strong under there. Right then, let's we'll turn the drone around a bit to point to the van. Camera up a little bit, oops, camera up a little bit, and let's fly forwards. Go a little higher, left a bit, forwards, down a bit, forwards. Right there a bit. We're nearly there. Right then. Go forwards. Over the post. Leave it there while we just move positions. Where's it gone? There it is. Take it across. Go a little higher. Up that way, left. Go forwards. There we are, just down there. We're standing in public just down there. I think it's time to land. Landing.
Landing.
Perfect. Stop the phone camera. Turn the control off. Turn the drone off. It's quite a windy day out here. Quite a windy day. We can put the camera off now.